Ngesikhathi kuhlasele izikhukhula zango-2022, abantu bakule ndawo bamuka ngenxa yokuthi bakhe eduze komfula. Abantu abakhe lapha bathi ayikho enye indawo abangaya kuyo.
Sinamhlaba olungileyo kuba siyazama uthetha noburhulumente, asinikwa ndawo, asikhanga ukuthanda kule ndawo sikuyo, asinandawo zohlala. Ngoba urhulumente wethu akanantshukumo yokuba ke masuse abantu abasendaweni ezibhede kunezi. Sakhe apha ngengxaki yoba asinandawo.
Ingxaki esifumanayo, oonokrep bayakwazi uphuma apha bangene ezindlini, neenyoka siyazifumana kwalapha ezindlini, so asikho safe.
Ikhansela lakule ndawo lithi labantu bayanqaba ukususwa kule ndawo.
Most of the people that are staying here more than 10 years, they had the site numbers. And then their houses, it's illegal occupants that are staying in their houses. Now they don't need it. They don't want to go to the temporal houses. When we said, no, this place is in danger, they said, no, we had their own houses that are already built.
Kusenjalo, sekunxuswe izakhamuzi ezakhe eduze kwedamu iVaal ukuba ziqaphele njengoba sekuvulwe isango lesikhombisa elilawula ukungena kwamanzi kuleli damu. Kanti sezikhona izakhamuzi kanye namabhizinisi asekhahlamezekile ngalokhu.
We are unable to operate. We've lost in excess of 3,000 man-hours. Staff still need to be paid. Restaurants not open, bars not open, workshop can't operate. Clients can't use their boats.